Cassidy is about to have her first Pop Rocks. Wait, baby, let Mommy do it. Here. Come here. Come open your mouth. Open your mouth. Am I going to get any reaction at all, or are you just frozen? What do you think of that? You like it? Is it funny? Cassidy. Absolutely no reaction. Want more? Okay. Absolutely no reaction. Wow, okay.
Mommy,
What?
please.
Oops. Mommy missed your mouth.